I thought this comparison would take 5 minutes. Then I spent an entire afternoon redesigning the same project twice and realized I was asking the wrong question. So I used both tools for real work. Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, a business flyer, even a simple brand kit. That's when the differences became impossible to ignore. Canva is built for speed. Drag, drop, publish. Affinity is built for precision. You get professional editing tools that give you much more control, but they also expect you to do more of the work yourself. The setup made that obvious. Canva had me designing almost instantly inside my browser. Affinity took a little longer because it's a desktop app, but once I was in, everything felt fast and responsive. But here's where things get interesting. For quick marketing graphics, Canva was hard to beat. Templates, stock assets, AI features, and team collaboration made creating content incredibly fast. So I tried something different. I recreated the same design in Affinity. It definitely took longer, but I had complete control over every layer, every curve, every tiny detail. The final design simply looked more polished. Then I noticed something most people never talk about. If you're constantly tweaking brand colors, typography, or print-ready files, Canva starts to feel limiting. Affinity gives you the freedom professionals usually expect. Here's the catch. If you've never used design software before, Affinity has a learning curve. Canva is much easier to pick up on day one. Pricing also changes the conversation. Canva works on a subscription model if you want its premium features. Affinity is a one-time purchase, so your long-term cost can be much lower. So which one fits your workflow? If you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator who needs designs fast, Canva is probably the better fit. But if you're a freelancer, designer, or anyone creating professional branding, print work, or detailed graphics, Affinity gives you far more creative control. Don't choose based on features. Choose based on how you actually work. That's a decision you'll be happiest with 6 months from now.